Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I have started Trinity Clinic, which encompasses another two more components, and the one is the cafe and the other is the learning center. I cannot stop being a teacher, so I continue with the teaching. All my talents that I have for the last so many years that I have inculcated in them, I need to express it so that more and more people come to know about these different issues that can be taught.
Yeah, so now we have a direct access to immunity boosting, much required in these days. Goa is very unsafe, unlike what the Chief Minister says. That कांय भिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून तशें कांयच ना, सामकी भिवपाची गरज आहा. The virus has reached his doorstep. His bodyguard has been tested positive. So there is a huge need for even our Chief Minister to get himself tested, because otherwise he'll make Goa more unsafe. According to me, it is he who has made Goa unsafe. Not that I am saying that everything should be locked down. There has to be a balance between lives and livelihood. But at the same time, there has to be some sort of a thoughtful action. It cannot be knee-jerk reaction. Like
I am today very proud of my sister and her family, Abelino, daughters.